When it comes to health, there's usually a gap between where we are and where we want to be. When facing the prospects of substantial lifestyle changes, impossibly restrictive diets, and extreme exercise regimens, living a healthy lifestyle can feel overwhelming, even unattainable. With so many roadblocks getting in the way of our health goals, we need high-quality support. Feel Great is here to help. You've probably heard about intermittent fasting. It's not a strange new fad. It's actually how our bodies were designed to work. We all fast overnight already, unless you're one of those midnight snackers. This fasting period gives our bodies the opportunity to shift from digestion and burning food for energy to burning stored fat. There are many amazing and real health benefits that come from intermittent fasting, or IF. These benefits are greater using a time-based eating pattern of 16-8, which looks a little something like this. 16 hours without food, fasting period, and 8 hours eating, feeding window. Sounds great, right? It is. But the truth is, most people do not stick with IF long enough to achieve real results. Maybe you tried IF. Maybe it didn't work for you in the past. But what if we told you feeling great doesn't have to be hard? What if you could not only make IF doable, but also supercharge its effects? That's where Feel Great comes in. Feel Great is designed to bridge the gap between where you are and where you want to be. The Feel Great approach is simple. Unimate plus balance plus intermittent fasting. Feel Great will help you feel fuller for longer, prolong your breaks between meals, and give your body the nutrients that it needs. Here's how it works. Start your day with Unimate and give yourself a boost to conquer your to-do list without breaking your fast. Unimate improves mood, heightens mental stamina, and staves off hunger without any sugar. Then, take balance 1 to 2 times a day, right before lunch and/or dinner, to help ease the impact of carbohydrates on your diet and to keep you feeling full for longer. 2 products, 1 practice, measurable results. Try it for 90 days, and if you don't feel the difference, you'll get your money back, guaranteed. Get ready to feel better than you have in years. Get ready to feel great. Visit youfeelgreat.com today to learn more. Be sure to have your referral code handy to get the best price.